Another technical difficulty. But check this out. Mark waving white from the 101 to the 140. Check it out. Ooh, and look at these freight cars we have here. Alright. Here's the EOT, and as you can see, those lights are still on both at a time. The reason being for that, I really do not know. I contacted Signalman Bo about this, and it did get fixed, but looks like the relay is stuck again, unfortunately. EOT by me at 611. Well, I'm going to come back out, or probably not come back out, for train number 202, as he's way south, making his way north. BBT 609 at County Road 512 East on the Florida East Coast Main Line.